Namaste children. So already we discussed about the Griffith experiment in order to search the genetic material. So from this, what kind of questions is going to come for your board examination and how to answer. So that only now I am going to discuss with you. Explain the experiment performed by the Frederick Griffith on Streptococcus pneumoniae and what was his conclusion from his experiment, and who are the scientists who followed the Frederick Griffith experiments and what they concluded from their explanation. This is what the type of questions. Sometimes they asked and name the microbes which used by the Frederick Griffith and what are the steps which involved in this experiment and what was the conclusion from the Frederick Griffith for this experiment, and like that the questions may come. Sometimes the questions may come that and what is transforming principle, who proved it, and how the scientists proved the transforming principle in Streptococcus pneumoniae. So like that the many forms the questions may come. For example, you may get questions like this. So like that the questions may come at any form, but answer is the same. So what kind of answers you have to write it? First, the Frederick Griffith selected the bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae, and in Streptococcus pneumoniae there are two strains are there. One is S strain, another one R strain. The S strain is also called as smooth strain, which causes a disease in the mice, and so it is called as virulent. And another strain is R strain, which is called as non-virulent. It means it not causes a pneumonia. And Frederick Griffith selected these two strain of the bacteria and performed the experiment in mice in the following steps. So steps 1. So he injected the S bacteria into the mice. The mice is suffering from pneumonia and died. Step 2. He injected the R bacteria into the mice. Mice is not suffering from the pneumonia and alive. In third step, he collected the S bacteria and killed by the heat and injected the mice. Mice is not suffering from pneumonia, mice alive. In fourth step, the R bacteria along with the S heat killed bacteria, the mixture is injected to the mice. The mice is suffering from the pneumonia and mice died. And the conclusion is that something, the Frederick come to conclude that something transferred from the S heat killed bacteria to R to change it S, so that they causes the disease, because they done the postmortem of the dead mice of the fourth step and they found some of the S bacteria in the blood of the mice. This is what called transforming principle or bacterial transformation. Avery, Colin MacLeod and Maclean McCarthy. These three scientists followed the Griffith experiment to determine the chemical nature of transforming principle. These three scientists purified the biomolecules such as protein, RNA, DNA from S heat killed bacteria to find which one transform the R cell to S cell. And finally they concluded that the DNA of S heat killed bacteria involved in transformation of the R bacteria into S bacteria. Also they found that the enzyme such as DNase only inhibit the transformation of R bacteria to S bacteria. The RNase as well as the proteases enzymes are not inhibit the transformation of R bacteria to S bacteria. So from this conclusion, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy they found that the DNA is a genetic material, not protein or RNA. This is what the molecular explanation given by Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy by their experiment.